Welcome back to my channel guys, Motakatla Matthew Sparks. Today I'm gonna unbox a very mini phone, G3 mini phone. Well, my dad got it and I got an idea to share it with you guys. Here it is. Have a close look at it. It's a very small phone, you're right. And now I'm gonna read the features of the G3 mini phone. 1. It is 0.60-inch OLED display. 2. Mini Bluetooth headset. 3. It has a dual SIM card support. 4. It has a TF card support. 5. It has voice changer. 6. It has Bluetooth dialer. 7. It has GSM 900/1800. 8. It has high LED torch. 9. It has high energy polymer battery. 10. It has multi-Indian languages support. And here it is. You can look behind and at the front. And now let's unbox it. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay. Wow. Look at this, guys. It's very small. Look at the phone. You can put it to your ear or here. Here. And here, have a close look. It's very small. Look, compared to my finger. It's very small. Now, we'll see these. He said that we can take this speaker off and we can put this. And now we can see the buttons and all, just like normal button phones in the past, but a lot smaller. And now let's take a look at the other things that he gave us. It looks like he gave us a little wire. Let's see what wire it is.
Cuando la sube
Here guys, we got a little USB cable. It looks like a charging cable, but it said that it's a USB cable. Let's see where it goes. Here guys. Okay, now let's see the other features. Looks like he gave us a little SIM type thingy and some kind of this thingy, but I don't know what this is. This looks like a mini stethoscope. I guess this is the hanging to your ear so that it can rest on your ear. and this. Let's open it up. Guys, it says that it's a very powerful battery, but it looks very small. I don't know how long it lasts. Let's see where to put it. Well guys, he also gave us a little torch here, and it looks like a little small torch and not that powerful, but on the box he said that it is very powerful. Okay, now I'm going to take off this sticker. We also have a little screen here. There it is. Look how small the screen is. Yes, it is very, very, very small. That is how small the screen is. Okay guys, well that's it for today. Well guys, I guess I'm gonna end the video for here. After a few days we're gonna post another video of how it is working and will it work properly. We will make a new video after a few days. See you later. Bye.